USAA Car Replacement Assistance Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. USAA's Car Replacement Assistance, or CRA, is a unique benefit offered in many of their auto insurance policies, designed to mitigate the financial sting of total vehicle loss. The core feature is that if your vehicle is totaled when it's less than 5 years old and you're the original owner, USAA will pay for a new car of the same make and model, minus your deductible. This differs significantly from standard auto insurance, which typically only covers the actual cash value, or ACV, of the vehicle at the time of the loss, factoring in depreciation. This means a standard payout could leave you significantly short when trying to replace a relatively new car. CRA is ideally suited for individuals who purchase new vehicles and plan to keep them for a considerable period. It offers peace of mind knowing that in the event of a total loss early in the vehicle's life, they won't have to absorb a substantial depreciation hit. The strengths of CRA are clear. It bridges the gap between the ACV and the cost of a new replacement, reducing out-of-pocket expenses after a total loss. This is especially beneficial in the current market, where new and used car prices remain elevated. Furthermore, the simplicity of the coverage, paying for a new equivalent vehicle, streamlines the replacement process. However, CRA has limitations. Firstly, the 5-year age restriction means the benefit disappears as the vehicle ages. Secondly, it only applies to the original owner. If you purchase a used vehicle, even from a USAA member, CRA won't be available. Another drawback is that CRA is not available in all states, and availability can change, making it crucial to confirm coverage details with USAA directly. The cost of adding CRA to your policy will increase your premium. You need to weigh the cost versus the potential benefit, considering your risk tolerance and how frequently you replace your vehicles. Finally, remember that if your car's make/model is no longer available, USAA will typically offer a comparable vehicle. In conclusion, USAA's Car Replacement Assistance is a valuable feature for those who buy new cars and want protection against rapid depreciation following a total loss. While not universally available and subject to certain conditions, its potential to significantly reduce financial hardship after an accident makes it worth considering, especially if you value the security of replacing your totaled vehicle with a brand new one. Be sure to confirm eligibility, availability in your state, and fully understand the terms and conditions before making your decision.